Hi guys, welcome back to Unbox It TV. So today we'll unbox a generic mic, and it's a lavalier mic, and I ordered it on Amazon, and it costed me around 600, as you can see on the screen. And let's just unbox it, and let's just first roll out the intro, and let's get started. So guys, let me grab my knife and let me just cut open the tape. The tape is over here. Let me just cut it, and that's done. Now let me just open it, and here directly we find a lavalier mic, and it comes with a 3.5 mm, and guys, it comes with a pouch. When I just open it, we directly find the mic inside it without anything else, and it has a 3.5 mm jack. I also had a mic already with me which I used in other of my videos, so in that we find just a 2.5 mm jack, but in this one we find a 3.5 mm jack, which will help me record directly through my mobile phone. And the quality of the clip is also really good, and it's of pure metal, but in the previous mic it's of plastic. It's just a plastic one, and what do you say, noise cover is also really strong. And in this it's removable but not so strong, it's just spongy type. And that's it guys, this is a really high quality mic, and the wire itself is really long, and I feel it's of high quality. And this clip is also made of pure metal, and it's really hard enough to bear the strength when we press it, and will just not get damaged when we are in a hurry. So guys, thanks for watching. That was the unboxing of the generic lavalier mic. And if you like this video, make sure to press the like button and subscribe to my channel Unbox It TV, and don't forget to check out the link in the description of the mic if you want to buy it. Thanks for watching guys, meet you in the next one, bye bye. So guys, this is the audio from the generic lavalier mic, and if you can see, it's just a smooth barrel roll B-roll. And if you can hear my audio, this is with the mic, and when I remove the mic you can just find out the audio quality. I just removed, and so guys, this is the audio from normally from the internal microphone of the mobile, and this audio will now come from the mic. So this is from the external mic, and you can just see the change in the quality of the audio. That's it guys, this was just a simple example which I wanted to show you guys. That's it, thanks for watching, meet you in the next one, bye bye. We'll be right back.